We're at Alstede Farm in the sunflower fields.
We're on a farm.
We're at Alstede Farms and we're about to get on this tractor over here. We're gonna pick a bunch of vegetables and fruits. What are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna pick it all. I'm gonna pick apples, blueberries, oranges. Are there oranges?
Ooh, yay, we're boarding the tractor. Say hi, guys. Alstede Farms is located in New Jersey, just 1 hour outside of New York City by car. They have pick your own fruits and vegetables. The main attraction of the farm is the sunflower fields, where you can pick your own sunflowers or just have a really awesome photo shoot. Masks are to be worn the whole time on the farm. There's also hand washing stations scattered throughout. The hours of the farm are 9 to 5 every day for pick your own, and you can check the website before you go. I will link it down below.
Oh,
we're here!
So beautiful!
We're in a sunflower field!
Woo, it's so cool and
so
beautiful.
Cool.
And we will always remember this moment because of the masks.
Yeah, I'm so glad I came. I almost didn't come. This hat is obnoxiously big. Wow, there's so many bees.
A lot of bees.
A lot of bees. Lost everyone because I was taking pictures. So now I'm in the sunflower maze by myself, though I don't like being lost. Being lost in a sunflower field is the best way to be lost. I guess I could take off my mask since I'm alone. Oh, there's the rest of my group.
We need the good flowers for the photo shoot. Can we move this bee?
Excuse me, production.
Over the shoulder giggle.
Like look at Dave and
flowers
laugh.
are so funny.
You're facing this way. I want you to like face this way.
You do. You look so farm fresh.
Farm to table.
Like just like a soft smile, sexy face.
That was fun. Thank you, babe.
Literally the best picture ever taken ever.
Now we're going back out to get some fruit, and I think we have to put our mask back on.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's okay.
I'm gonna take that tomato.
The Sicilian found the Sicilian eggplant.
Fits in the bag, that's it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why are you not up then? Ready? Not yet.
Look at that cow. Let me see it. Wow.
Got some corn.
All right, try it.
Okay. Wow.
Good?
Really good.
And I will be having some water, hydrating because it's 90 degrees out today. How's your ice cream?
It's delicious.
How's everyone's ice cream?
So good.
You have to wear a mask and in the farm, obviously, because of COVID. There's a market here with all the vegetables if you don't want to pick your own, because it is really hot. They also have local maple syrup, coffee, organic, all the pretty vegetables. Get this jalapeno ketchup. And your cousin is famous. Ooh, they have homemade pies and baked goods. Apple cider donuts.
That sounds bad, right?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's $7.99 for a pickle. That's the cheapest I've ever paid. Oh god.
Oh my god. They do have vegan stuff. They have a whole gluten, dairy, and soy-free section. A yellow watermelon. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the visit to the farm. I'll link the information down below if you want to visit this farm. And please like and subscribe if you want to see more food-related videos. Bye-bye.